Hi everybody, I will show in this video how to use the Simple Stream Configuration tool introduced in version 3.10 of the DVP. We'll start by logging in. As you can see, the new software jumps directly to the Streams tab for monitoring. At the moment I don't have anything on my machines, and I will show you how to add streams into the configuration. On the left you can see here the new tool set that is available on all the pages of the DVP for quick access. In this video I will show how to use the new stream. Let's start. I'm clicking on the new stream, and now I get a form that allows me to configure the entire stream just on one page. I will start by adding a name. The machine I'm configuring at the moment is a protector, so I'm leaving the protector at the moment. We have here the delay, and you can modify it, of course, and you have the input configuration and the output configuration of that streams. In this case I will use a very simple multicast configuration. So I'm writing down the details of the input stream. And just for us to see what happens when I hit send when I didn't complete the form, I'm hitting it now, and as you can see we get a message that the output IP address is illegal because it's missing, so you can't continue and it won't commit to the machine. Now I will fix that. And I will send it out on a different multicast. Now I'm hitting send, and as you can see I got the commit succeeded message, and the stream was added to the machine and already locked. This page does not close automatically, so I can configure a lot of stream very quickly. For example, I'm adding a new stream. This must be unique, so I have to change the name. I can change the mode of operation, the delay, of course change one of the parameters, or just do the right configuration of the current stream and hit send again. And you can see that I have a new stream here, and it was very quickly and very easy. Now I've finished all the configuration that I wanted to do on the protector. I'm moving to the Sentinel. I close the page, and I'm going to this machine, which is, as you can see, is exactly the same, has the same icon. I will click on new stream, and again the page comes up. We'll call it here. This time I'm in the Sentinel, so I'll change the mode. As you can see, when I'm changing the mode, the input and the output configuration combination changes. For the protector you can see that there are several options for inputs, and only one RTP transport stream for the output configuration, and on the Sentinel it's reverse. It can only accept RTP transport stream and can send it out in several ways. In this case I will, again, I'm just using multicast, so I will configure the right configuration that I want to accept on interface 1 and send it out on some other multicast, and hit commit. As you can see, the new stream was added here, and in a minute hopefully if I got everything right, it will lock. So here we go, very quickly, very easy. Thank you very much.